Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I am going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. A person who has a car with a gasoline engine, it is a Renault Clio, and the problem you have is that it does not start unless you put gasoline in the acceleration body, and you ask, where could the problem come from? First of all, you have to be very careful with this because it can give you a flash, and you can burn yourself having said that. Both gasoline and its vapors are flammable. As soon as you try to accelerate with the piston going down, it is absorbed by the cylinders, and then that explosion occurs. The problem there, first of all, would check that there is no leak in the fuel circuit. Normally, you can see if it is in the engine, because when you lift the hood, it usually smells like gasoline, but it can also be anywhere else of the fuel circuit. It is as if it had been deprimed. And once you start the engine and accelerate it, when you accelerate it, the air moves towards the cylinders and enters the combustion chamber, pushed by the fuel. And then, when entering the fuel into the combustion chamber, it already works perfectly. That is why I say, first of all, I would check that there is no leak in the fuel circuit. And from there, I would check that the fuel circuit has pressure. It could be a problem also with the pump, that it does not have enough pressure, or even that the gasoline filter is dirty. And lastly, I would also look at the pressure regulating valve. But there, I would prefer that there is a leak in the circuit, and that is why it is deprimed. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.